Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy channel, and today we'll be discussing the reliability of the N47 engine. Well, this engine has actually been dubbed one of BMW's biggest failures, or most unreliable engines. But when they're looked after correctly, they're actually one of the best engines that BMW produce. This one here is a 120D M Sport. It's a post-2007 car, just after the facelift when they first introduced this new engine after replacing the M47. It's currently running 188 brake horsepower with a few little mods, and so far, touch wood, has been absolutely fine. It's a 93,000 mile car, and yeah, currently it hasn't got any issues whatsoever. So as mentioned before, these are often labelled as BMW's most unreliable engines, and that's because they're known for a major failure, which is essentially the timing chain snapping. The timing chain during the engine design was deemed to be completely impenetrable. Was actually put at the back of the engine, so when these go, it does require a full engine out and full engine rebuild, which obviously isn't very ideal. It's mainly attributed to the 20,000 mile oil intervals, which, although is cheaper, actually is hampering the reliability of the cars. That extended period of time is actually causing accelerated wear on the timing chain, which then leads to the eventual failure. If you're looking to buy one of these, the main thing to look out for is a rattle coming from the engine bay, which is the timing chain. Initially, these timing chains stretch before they eventually snap after being put through quite heavy load with thick oil, really. If you currently own one of these cars, the best way to sort of combat this is to actually change the oil far more regularly than BMW suggests. I personally change the oil between 5,000 to 10,000 miles on this car. I've done 2 in its life since I've owned it in the past year, and it's pretty easy to do yourself. If not, you can get a local garage or someone to do it, but it's definitely worth doing them just to be sure that that timing chain and engine is nice and healthy. But yeah, so that's a quick overview of the M47 engine. If you're looking to buy one of these, don't be scared off, don't be put off by it. It's definitely helping the values, because you can pick up a decent one of these for fairly good money. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. This is just a quick one explaining about the engine. I'm going to go into a full buyer's guide for one of these cars later on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.